proving to be unstoppable, but Alaba found that one. Ornopia with this last one, and it's good. Looking for an open man here. Gets that screen from Gulim, but Dalguntas drove and made that basket. Last play there, we got Dalguntas really stepping up. Bacalares gets that tough pass. Yanez with the three, and it's good. Nothing but net there.
Scoring wasn't the best. They were hurrying up their shots. They weren't, composed. Baka nakapikit nga sila eh. Joke lang.
That is the fifth personal foul of
Or the best option.
Mazo. Doing it like Lakayanga, getting the rebound from the other side.
Look at this coast to coast by Mazo as if
Fifth personal foul, which is why she'll be having to take a seat here for the Lady Warriors. Apag with that finish.
But before that, we also take a look at this Apag layup. So back in the SAL, we have a lot of plays, and it's always a challenge for us to execute the plays that Coach Cholo runs. So I guess if you're these teams,
And both teams will go back to the drawing board after this, because the season's not over. Rachel Lakayaga answers back.
at that shot of Lakayanga, we've been saying her name.
Napapractice.
Yes, how you start the game should always be how you also end the game. So if you're starting it on a high note, you should always end it on a high note. But if you're like UE, who's started it flat, you always want to still end it on a high note.
Lakayanga off the glass. Oh, good. Dishes it out to Onyate. Onyate will take that one.
Really using the board to get that shot up. Good read here. Really faking it.
Lakayanga with 13 seconds to shoot. Good on that floater there. Off the game. Matimos finds Alaba. Goes to the inside to Carcalias, and it's good. Off the game. Matimos finds Alaba. Goes to the inside to Carcalias, and it's good. And the game is over. Giving up on that last possession there.